Welcome to the Healing Place Energy School. My name is Helen Chin Liu. I'm a certified reflexologist, certified energy medicine practitioner, a Reiki master and teacher, and the author of 2 great books. Check it out: Know Your Chakras, Introduction to Energy Medicine, and Foot Reflexology to Promote Relaxation. Today's topic: train yourself to meditate. Many people find it difficult to meditate because they can't sit quietly long enough without feeling it is a waste of time. But taking 10 minutes out of your busy schedule is essential to your physical and mental health. Plus, you'll get to meet your chakras and get to say hello to your energy sources. Without chakras, you have no energy flow. Once you understand how your energy flows, you can prevent energy crashes before it happens. Like any skill, meditation requires repetitive practice until it is mastered. However, if you stick with it, you can reap the rewards of being quiet and where quiet can take you. So think about it. Why should you incorporate meditation in your life? Number 1, for me, it's all about inner peace. Our minds are so full of stuff that there is no room for quiet, to the point you cannot even hear yourself think or process your thoughts. We are often slaves to what we believe and can't determine what is real. Meditation can help you find that quiet and reflect on what really matters. 2, increase your self-awareness. With thousands of thoughts going through our heads every day, how conscious are you about what you think? Are they destructive, habitual thoughts? By increasing your awareness, you will understand why you feel the way you do and what is important to you and what do you really want. Number 3, be present. Instead of getting caught up in your life's dramas, you can choose how you want to live. 4, rejuvenate. Once the mind clutter is eliminated, your mind, body, and spirit will have room to grow and attract new opportunities, allowing your energy and chakras to flow with positive and uplifting momentum. 5, be joyful. Once you break your repetitive and negative thought cycles, you will replace them with fulfilling activities and live your life fully. I want to show you a great 10-minute meditation that's wonderful, not only for beginners, but anyone who wants to get acquainted with their chakras. This meditation is part of my 18-part meditation from my book, Know Your Chakras. So let's get ready for meditation. I would suggest go to the bathroom and do your bathroom thing, get something to drink, and then come back and get comfortable and sit quietly. So go ahead, and I'll be back in a minute.
I like to start all of my lessons with a short cleansing meditation and also with the intent of what I would like to get out of the lesson. So the meditation comprised of just inhaling the energy, bringing it in and out. So your intent, ask yourself, what do you want to get out of this lesson? Do you want to learn more about your chakras and understand what might be deficient, excessive, and what is balanced, and to help to move that extra energy? So give it 2 more breaths. And lastly, who would think that we had so many chakras and energy centers in our body that we have to contend with? But it is so necessary that we understand what flows, what is sluggish, what needs a little bit help and support, and what feels really balanced. Do you live emotionally or willfully? Which chakra do you consider to be excessive or deficient? And most importantly, which chakras needs balancing? So I want to do a chakra meditation to help you to meet your chakras and just say hello to them. We're not going to do any healing or balancing in this particular lesson. If you're ready, let me give you some quick ground rules on what you need to do, just as a quick reminder. You want to find a quiet place. You want to shut off all electronics. Decide if you want to sit up or lie down. And remember, the mind, that wants to talk, you're going to come back to quiet. You might have to say that 50 to 100 times until you have trained your brain to quiet down that chatter. And if you want music, yes, turn on something that you enjoy. So if you're ready, get into a comfortable chair. And remember, we're going to use our breath. 3 cleansing breaths. You could do more than 3. It's up to you. And we're just going to push in through your nose and exhale out through your mouth. And we're going to go from the root chakra all the way to the crown. So if you're ready, let's go. So taking 3 cleansing breaths. You're going to breathe in and you're going to breathe out. 2 more. And the last one. Again, with your feet on the floor, both your hands are now going to be placed on the hips. And we're going to do 3 cleansing breaths. And with your exhale, you're going to push against your hand like this. So you can actually feel the air coming from your hands, from your mouth into your hands. So here we go. You can breathe in. And exhale and touch your hands. 2 more. And the last. I want you now to check in with that chakra. Your root chakra from the front. You're going to go all the way to the back and come back to the front again. You're just checking in and saying hello. How are you? And just note how the energy is feeling to you. Just take a little note right now. Okay. Let's meet our second chakra. Again, 3 cleansing breaths. Again. And last. Now just note the energy from the front of your second chakra underneath your belly button all the way to the back. Just say hello. Take another breath. It's amazing how powerful your breathing is, and it could clear all negativity, stagnant energy, and blockages. Let's meet our third chakra, which is right underneath the rib cage. Take 3 cleansing breaths. Again. And the last time. Focusing the energy from the front of your chakra to the back. Again, just make a quick observation. You're not judging it. You're just saying hello. Good. Now the heart chakra. Take 3 cleansing breaths. And just relax your shoulders. Again. Last time. Again, just check in. See how it's feeling. Good. Focusing on your throat chakra now. Again, 3 cleansing breaths. Second. Third. Focusing the energy from the front of the chakra to the back. Making no judgment. Not necessarily need to check in to see if it's deficient or heavy. Just saying hello. Very good. Now we're going to check in with the third eye, your intuition. What you use all day thinking about what you need to do. Focusing on your breath. 3 breaths. You're going to breathe in against your hands. Again. Last one. Just check in with your third eye. Again, not to judge it. Focusing, just keeping it quiet. And if you have chatter, come back to quiet, just thinking. Focusing on the crown chakra. Let's do 3 cleansing breaths. Breathe in. Again, breathe in and out. And the last time. You now can put both your hands back on your lap. And now you're going to focus bringing the energy from your crown chakra all the way to your first chakra. So you're going to breathe in. And now you're going to drive the energy all the way down in the midline of your chakra, all the way down. Again. And last. Very good. You can stay in the state of quiet as long as you want. I hope very much that you have met your chakras and start to understand them.
We have so many healing videos that we want to share with you, containing self-care, self-healing tips that you might be looking for. Just imagine adding these skills to your healer's tool bag. We don't want you to miss any of our valuable knowledge, so we are giving you 3 options to know when we are sharing. You can either subscribe or click on the bell icon to let you know that we have uploaded a new video. 2, subscribe to the Healing Place Energy School newsletter. 3, or visit the healingplaceenergyschool.com site often for updates. We are so thankful that you are part of the Healing Place Energy School community. We look forward to seeing you right here on the YouTube channel or seeing you in the classroom at the healingplaceenergyschool.com. Thank you for watching. Be well and talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Helen Chin Lu from the healingplaceenergyschool.com.